Hello everyone. I bring another video here on the channel. Subscribe, leave your like and activate the notification bell for more content like this. Today we are going to talk about rice planting. Rice planting is commonly carried out in flooded fields, known as irrigated rice fields. The process involves preparing the soil, sowing seeds in flooded areas, growing seedlings in nurseries, transplanting them to flooded fields and, finally, harvesting. Rice generally requires well-drained, loamy soil. Sowing takes place in nurseries, where seedlings grow before transplanting to flooded fields. During cultivation, it is essential to maintain a constant layer of water, as rice is an aquatic plant. Harvesting methods vary, but generally involve machines that cut and collect the grains. After harvesting, the rice goes through drying and processing processes to remove straw and unwanted grains. There are different varieties of rice, such as upland rice and irrigated rice, adapted to different growing conditions. Rice is a fundamental global food crop, providing a significant source of carbohydrates for billions of people. Some countries in Africa are suitable for rice cultivation due to favorable climatic and soil conditions. Some nations that stand out in this context include Mozambique. Nigeria has vast areas suitable for rice cultivation, and the government has implemented initiatives to promote local production. Mali. With large tracts of suitable land and irrigation systems, Mali is a country where rice is grown significantly. Senegal. The tropical climate and suitable soil conditions make Senegal a suitable region for rice cultivation. Madagascar. This island country has humid areas and floodplains, ideal for growing rice. Ghana. Ghana has invested in programs to increase rice production and reduce dependence. It is important to consider that factors such as local agricultural practices, water availability and infrastructure also play a crucial role in the success of rice cultivation in each country. The time required for rice production can vary depending on the rice variety, climatic conditions, cultivation method, and specific agricultural practices. In general, the rice growth cycle can be divided into the following stages: soil preparation and sowing. This initial phase can take 1 to 2 months, depending on the methods used and local conditions. Growth of seedlings. Rice seedlings are generally grown in nurseries for about 3 to 6 weeks before transplanting to fields. Transplantation. Transplantation of seedlings to flooded fields generally occurs after 3 to 6 weeks of growth in the nurseries. Growth and development. The growing period in the field can vary, but generally takes 3 to 5 months depending on the variety and weather conditions. Maturation and harvest. Grain maturation occurs after the growing period, and harvesting can take approximately 1 to 2 weeks, depending on the harvesting methods used. In summary, the complete cycle, from soil preparation to harvest, can take approximately 4 to 7 months. It is important to highlight that these deadlines are general estimates and may vary in different regions and cultivation systems. Investment in rice production can be a viable decision, depending on several factors, such as geographic location, climatic conditions, access to water, market demand and available infrastructure. Here are some points to consider. Market demand. Assess the demand for rice in the region. If there is consistent demand and potential for growth, this can make the investment more attractive. Climatic conditions and soil. Rice is sensitive to climatic conditions and requires suitable soil. Make sure the region you choose meets the climatic and edaphic requirements for rice cultivation. Infrastructure and technology. The availability of infrastructure, such as irrigation systems, roads and modern agricultural technologies, can significantly impact production efficiency and costs. Government support. Check whether there are government policies to support agriculture, subsidies or programs that encourage local rice production. Agricultural risks. Consider the risks associated with agricultural production, such as pests, diseases, extreme weather conditions and fluctuations in commodity prices. Sustainability. Sustainable and responsible agricultural practices can add value to the business, especially in a scenario where sustainability is increasingly valued. Before making a decision, it is advisable to carry out a detailed feasibility analysis, considering all the costs involved, the specific conditions of the region and the potential returns. Consult agricultural experts and research conditions.